County. This includes the city of Canton until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, local law enforcement agents reported flooding was still occurring in many areas of central Stark County from the heavy rain that fell earlier. Numerous roads were reported closed due to high water. While heavy rain is not expected overnight, the existing flooding will likely persist into the night. Some locations that may experience flooding include Canton. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday for the following county: Stark, Ohio. At 8 p.m.